Apple is getting ready to launch something new this year. Along with the regular iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, there's a brand new version called the iPhone 17 Air. What makes this phone stand out is how incredibly slim it is. A new hands-on video has shown a dummy model of the iPhone 17 Air in black, giving us the clearest look yet at Apple's latest design idea. Even though we've seen some early models before, this one makes it obvious just how thin this phone will be. Rumors say the iPhone 17 Air will be either 5.5mm or 5.65mm thick. We don't know the final number yet, but either way, it's going to be one of the thinnest phones Apple has ever made. To give you an idea, it's thinner than the original iPhone SE and much slimmer than any of today's flagship phones. Of course, when you make a phone this slim, you have to make some sacrifices. The first trade-off is the battery. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to have a 2,800 mAh battery, which is small compared to today's phones. Most modern phones have batteries that are 4,000 mAh or more. It's clear that Apple is choosing design over battery size with this model. Another compromise is in the camera. While other iPhones come with 2 or 3 cameras on the back, the iPhone 17 Air will likely have just one. This is being done to keep the phone slim and simple. But that doesn't mean it won't take good pictures. Apple usually makes sure. Even single camera models perform well. Even though it's so thin, the iPhone 17 Air will still offer some powerful features. Leaks suggest it will have 12 GB of RAM, just like the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. This means it should handle apps, games, and multitasking smoothly. It's also expected to have a 120Hz display, which makes scrolling and animations look super smooth, something users now expect from premium phones. An interesting detail is the material used for its frame. While Apple used titanium on last year's iPhone 15 Pro models, the new iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might switch back to aluminum. Oddly enough, the iPhone 17 Air could actually keep some titanium in its frame. If true, this would make the Air surprisingly tough for such a lightweight phone. Speaking of lightness, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to weigh only 145 grams. That's incredibly light when you consider how powerful the phone is expected to be. This makes it perfect for people who want a phone that's easy to hold and carry, without sacrificing too much in performance. It's clear that Apple isn't just testing out a new idea here, they're creating a new kind of iPhone for people who care about design, lightness, and portability above everything else. This phone won't be for those who need long battery life or multiple cameras. It's for people who want a clean, minimalistic phone that's easy to use and looks great. The name Air also makes sense. Apple has already used it with the MacBook Air and iPad Air, both known for being lighter and thinner than their regular versions. Now, with the iPhone 17 Air, Apple is bringing that same idea to its phone lineup. So who is this phone for? It's not for power users who need a big battery and multiple cameras. It's for people who want something stylish, easy to carry, and capable of handling everyday tasks without any hassle. It's designed for those who value simplicity and design over extra features. The dummy unit shown in the latest video has a very clean design, with flat edges and a single rear camera. In the middle, it has no camera bumps or extra decorations, giving it a very modern and fresh look. Even though it's just a prototype, it matches earlier leaks, which means Apple's final version will probably look very similar. As we get closer to Apple's September event, it's becoming clear that the iPhone 17 Air could be one of the most interesting iPhones in years. It might not have the biggest battery or the most cameras, but in terms of design, it's going to be something special. And knowing Apple's track record with software, they might find a way to make that smaller battery last longer than expected. We'll keep you posted as more news and leaks come in. If new dummy models or videos appear, we'll make sure to cover them here.